7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at EOS. EOS is currently ranked number 46 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 month, EOS has gone as high as $1.33 and as low as $0.82. EOS is currently trading for $0.98. In this video, we're taking a look at the EOS US dollar price chart. EOS is pumping. We have a green day in the crypto market. All coins are pumping. Should we be getting more EOS during the bear market? Is the dump for EOS over? EOS has dumped more than 90% from the all-time high it set in 2021. EOS has dumped more than 90% from the high it set in 2021, where EOS got to as high as $21. EOS dumped to as low as $0.8. That's a 94% dump. Should we be getting some EOS? And if EOS is pumping, how high can the pump go? We're talking about that. We're looking at the EOS Bitcoin price chart. We're looking at EOS performance against Ethereum. And then we'll take a look at the EOS market cap chart. Any progress there? How low can you go during the bear market? We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. In the last 1 year, EOS is down 73%. In the last 1 month, it's down 23.1%. But in the last 1 week and in the last 1 day, EOS is making some progress. In the last 1 week, it's up 2%. In the last 1 day, it's up 7%. So the $1,000,000 question, should we be getting some EOS through the bear market? EOS is down 94% from its all-time high. This is the EOS US dollar price chart. You can see that EOS is down 94% from the high we set in 2021. This is the EOS US dollar This is the EOS US dollar price chart. EOS set a new high in 2021 of $14. EOS got as high as $14. EOS has been dumping since then. EOS has dumped 94% in just over 416 days. Now let's look at the EOS US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Let's look at the whole price history for EOS. EOS has more than 7 years of price history from July 2017 till July 2022. This is the EOS price chart from 2017, and you can see that the time that EOS is going up is the time that the market's in easy mode. That's when the market is pumping. EOS has had a 4,400% pump in less than 200 days. This was when the market was pumping the end of the 2017-2018 bull market, and after EOS topped around $22, EOS has been dumping since then. EOS actually lost 93% of its value when Bitcoin found its bottom. Bitcoin found its bottom on December 2019. EOS technically found its bottom there. EOS was down 93%. Right now, EOS is down 93% to the all-time high. Is this the time to be getting some EOS? Should we buy into this relief rally? Is the bottom in? Because guys, in the previous bear market for EOS, when the relief rally came, EOS pumped 450%. Will this time be different? Are we going to see EOS pump 450%? If EOS is going to get a 450% pump from where we are right now, we'll see EOS probably go to around that $3.5. And let's just calculate 400% from the bottom right here. We carry EOS to around maybe $4, above $4. Can EOS get that high? Can EOS get that bullish and get a lot of people bullish? Because guys, in the future, I'm expecting EOS to go to as high as $50, maybe $100. But right now, we're in the trenches, and history has shown that all coins don't actually bottom when Bitcoin bottom. All coins will actually wait for Bitcoin to find its bottom. Bitcoin will start ranging, then all coins will actually bottom out. And in EOS case, EOS actually kind of had a double bottom right here. You can see that when EOS got to this region, and it actually bounced off this support and went, it couldn't pass this place. It couldn't pass around $8.5 in 2018. It couldn't pass $8.5 in 2019. We got rejected off that region. And guys, all these regions are very, very important, because in future, price always comes back to react to these levels. It couldn't pass $8.5 in 2019, and then we started dumping again. We came back to bounce off this support of $1.5. We bounced off here, then we went on a bull run, and after EOS got past $8.5, it just went to the moon. This was the ending phase of the bull run. You can see that after this $8.5, EOS just pumped maybe less than 200% before the bull run ended. EOS pumped 78% pump, and then the bull run ended. EOS couldn't set a new all-time high. From that $8.5 line, if EOS could have set a new all-time high, EOS was supposed to pump more than 150%. Now, the third time EOS came back to test that support, EOS violated the support. It couldn't even use it as support. EOS just came and broke it. It couldn't use that 1.5 region as support, because 2 other times it has tested that regional support and it held. And guys, with support, the more times price come back to test regional support, the higher the chances of price actually break into that region. So another option is that we might get a pump in the altcoin market. We might get a pump that will carry us to around this 1.5 region. Right now, EOS is trading for 0.98. We'll go back to this 1.5 region. We'll test it. If EOS cannot break through it, then we'll come back and probably set a new low, or probably go and touch the old low, which is around $0.5. Can EOS dump that low? It's very, very possible from where we are right now. If EOS will just capitulate and continue dumping to that level, we'll see EOS lose maybe 40, maybe 50% of its value. But let's look at how EOS is performing against Bitcoin and against Ethereum, because the whole market is actually dumping. And so it's not just like if EOS is dumping on its own, the whole market is dumping. Most of the coins in the market actually topped on the 10th of May 2021, EOS included. So let's look at how EOS is performing against Bitcoin. Against Bitcoin, EOS has been losing value against Bitcoin at a very, very alarming pace. Since the top of EOS against Bitcoin came in 2021, EOS has lost more than 81% of its value against Bitcoin. And at the bottom right here, on the 13th of June 2022, EOS was down more than 85% against Bitcoin in just over 400 days. And in the last 2 weeks, EOS has actually been gaining value against Bitcoin. And will this trend be sustainable, or are we just setting new lower lows? You can see that the larger trend right here is that EOS is losing value against Bitcoin. We have been having some pumps on the way, and we'll see here, we got deceived. A little pump here, a little pump here, a little pump here, and we even had a little pump in March 2022, entering April 2022. Right now, we're having a little pump from June, entering July. Will this time be different, or are we still going to dump to Goblin Town? You can see that every other pump has led us to more further downside. Is this what's happening again? Even go to the ladder trend on EOS against Bitcoin. Let's put this chart on a 1 week time frame so that we can see what EOS has been doing against Bitcoin since 2017. Since 2017, what EOS has been doing against Bitcoin is that it has been constantly losing value against Bitcoin. This is the high EOS set in 2021 against Bitcoin. You can see how far gone it is from the all-time high. This is the 2021 high. This was the 2020 high for EOS against Bitcoin. This was the 2019 high for EOS against Bitcoin. And this was the 2018 high of EOS against Bitcoin. If you notice the trend right here is that EOS is setting lower highs. Now, none of these highs is taking out the previous high. So EOS against Bitcoin is bearish. But the flip side of it is that, guys, this might be the best time to be flipping your Bitcoin for some EOS, because if the market turns on itself and we go on a crazy bull run and we see EOS valuation going up to the moon, you would have wished to switch your Bitcoin for some EOS. But you want to be careful, guys, because we're not going to see any crazy alt season. We're not going to see any crazy pumps, except Bitcoin finds its bottom and the market goes back to easy mode. The only way new people get into the crypto space is by learn about Bitcoin, and when they get into the crypto space, Bitcoin starts pumping. They want to get more risky. They now start getting altcoins, and that's how altcoins actually pump. And a lot of these altcoins will probably not set a new all-time high on their Bitcoin pairing, so be really, really careful with them. Now let's take a look at how EOS is performing against Ethereum. Just like the EOS Bitcoin story, EOS has been losing value against Ethereum, and the high that EOS set in 2021 and right here against Ethereum has not been taken out. We have been dumping since then. Since 2021, EOS has lost more than 81% of its value against Ethereum. Crazy. In the last 1 week, EOS is showing us something different. It's actually outperforming Ethereum, outperforming Bitcoin. In the last 1 month, EOS is outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the last 1 month, you can see that EOS is up 34% against Ethereum. I showed you guys how EOS is outperforming Bitcoin also. But guys, will this time be different? Because all the recent pumps we have seen in EOS against Bitcoin and against Ethereum has led to further downside. And right now, we have had a pump of 44%. Is it going to lead us to further downside? Does this mean that the altcoins are going to crash and Bitcoin, Ethereum too are going to crash? It just means that maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to crash less than the altcoins, and the altcoins might probably lose more value against Bitcoin and Ethereum. Only time will tell. If we put the EOS Ethereum price chart on a larger time frame to see what the larger trend is, guys, EOS is still crazily losing value at a higher pace against Ethereum. The top for EOS against Ethereum came in April 2019, and since then, guys, EOS has lost more than 90% of its value against Ethereum. As a matter of fact, it has lost more than 97% of its value against Ethereum. At some point in time, EOS against Ethereum is going to find its bottom. Ethereum will probably stop gaining so much value against EOS, and EOS might start pumping against Ethereum, but I don't think that time is coming anytime soon. Probably in the next bull run, because the trend right now for EOS against Ethereum is not healthy, and this was the 2018 high for EOS against Ethereum. 2019 high, we couldn't take that 2018 high. We just came back and tested the high, and since then it has been downhill for EOS against Ethereum. At some point in time, EOS will have to bottom against Ethereum, and that will be the perfect time to flip your Ethereum for EOS. But if you ask for my humble opinion, I'll tell you to wait for Bitcoin to find its bottom. Everything leads back to Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. You want to be looking at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is currently trading for 20,300, is just staying above 50,018 all-time high. If Bitcoin starts showing us that the market is going back to easy mode, then just maybe you can get into altcoins. But guys, we want Bitcoin to actually settle down. Now let's take a look at the EOS market cap valuation. EOS market cap has been dropping really rapidly from as high as 13 billion in May 2021. EOS market cap is less than $1 billion. It's currently at $981 million. Putting the EOS market cap chart on a weekly time frame, you can see that EOS is almost at a new all-time low. The last time EOS had a very low market cap than it had right now was November 2017, and this was when EOS was just barely 6 months old. Right now, EOS is setting unwanted records on the market cap chart, and we're 908 million. How low can we go? We'll probably drop to maybe as low as 500 million. Only time we tell. That's probably 47% dump from where we are right now. If we see a 47 dump on the EOS price chart, we might get to that 0.5 region that we're talking about at the beginning of this video. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, where do you think the bottom of EOS will come in, and the bump that is coming, the pump that is coming in the crypto market? Do you think EOS is going to be among the cryptocurrencies that are going to pump well? In the last 1 week, EOS is actually showing positive signs. Even in the last day, EOS is up 7%. What are you going to be doing to your EOS through the bear market? Are you going to be buying more? Are you going to be selling your stash? Or are you even going to be holding through the chaos, through the bear market? Tell me about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.